Welcome to T&S Heating's boiler installation YouTube video. We have recently launched our YouTube channel and will be showcasing what services we offer over the next few months. This will also include helpful guides on keeping your home in tip-top condition throughout the year. In this video, we will walk you through a typical day with our heating engineers to showcase our expertise at installing boilers, which we have gained over the past 50 years. Once you have had your survey and quote carried out by our excellent office staff, our installs team will take over. They are polite, efficient, and respectful of your property, leaving it exactly as they found it. As you can see here, we do everything from replacing an old boiler to installing an entire brand new central heating system. As we have many different, experienced tradesmen working for us full-time, there isn't a job that is too small or too big. Thank you for watching and give us a call to get your quote now.